This is so good. Hey, what was that? I walk like an angel. I'm getting nervous, so I'm the devil in disguise. Hey, and dude, must eat faster. I'm here. It couldn't be, could it? You're supposed to be on vacation. Hey, Antu, how are you doing? I'm back from my trip out west. I see you have some food here. I'll just take a little bite. I'm sure you have lots for later. I might just... Oh, alone at last with my food. Hey, Antu. How's it going? You don't mind if I just sit down here and eat some more of your food? I look like an angel. Eat like an angel. I'm the devil in disguise. I can't believe this is actually happening to me. Honestly.